What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and we are in Ilha de São Jorge at the Lemon Festival. I'm very excited, it's my favorite fruit. For those of you who have been watching for a long time will know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's the Saturday of the long weekend festival. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's not really a long weekend, but it's a festival on the weekend. And yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of a preview of what this fest is about, what this festival is about. So without any further ado, let's go and explore a little bit of Ilha de São Jorge. So when we think about festivals, we think about one thing, it's parties, right? The locals love to party in Madeira, and we like our espetada, our wine. We like to hang out in our groups and have a good time. So you're gonna find loads and loads and loads of festivals in the island, and this is why it's the first time that I'm actually at this festival. I'm not a huge festival person. I like to be there and in and out, but we work a lot, so you know, maybe that's why. The Sunday is where the big party is. Even tonight is also a big party over here. And unfortunately, we don't have a whole lot of time to be here because we're going to be filming tomorrow as well for another big video coming. So you guys can be sure that you're going to see lots of great stuff over the next couple of months. We're going to probably now have some espetada. We have a little bit of wine, and we're going to wait. There's an event happening a little bit later that we're going to try and find. We're also going to try and speak to some people and see you know, what the whole festival is about, and speak to some of the locals. I know you guys like that kind of thing. So yeah, let's see. Tá pronto, senhor? Tá quase. It's almost ready. You know, if you're having a good espetada, half of the secret is getting the right cut. So let's see here if this man has the right cut. I'm sure it smells great. We had a little bit of a taste. It was really nice. A little bit overcooked for my taste because the teeth. And espetada usually I like it a little bit bloody and salty and bloody. There is our lovely espetada snack, right? I'm calling it a snack because I think we're just going to be like eating a little bit. We're going to have some bread. We'll see. And this is how we make espetada. You don't want to put espetada on the fire, right? Because you want it to slow cook. This is like barbecue 101, right? Barbecue 101 for you guys. You want a nice brasa, what we call brasa. So what we usually do is we put the big fire on the side, and when it starts coaling over, then we bring the coals over to this side. I'm giving it a turn. Oh, it's looking good. It's a hot fire. So we're gonna move it over a little bit. Sorry, mister. I'm just touching the... People get annoyed, when you touch the espetadas and things. They say, what are you doing? You know, the grill, I'm the grill, I'm in front of the grill. It is laurel stick, Don't tell the cops. Don't tell the cops what's going on here, Well, the man said I can film it, but usually you can't find these things, both of these things, anywhere. So this is local wine. I'm gonna guess that it's maybe is a jaqué. I don't know. Qual é o vinho, senhor? Caninho. Caninho americano. It's old school name. That's dangerous. It's dangerous. Just sip, little sip.
Hey, bon.
Hey, bon?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good? Oh, okay. I'm going to just keep it away from you then.
The vegans are going to be pissed.
I'm sorry to all the vegans out there. This is a non-vegan channel. What flavor is this?
It's lemon.
Lemon. Yeah,
Pescador.
Pescador, the original, All right, well, let's go. Taste test. Let's see. Cheers, guys.
Face. That's the lemon face,
It's the lemon face. When it comes to poncha, my favorite one is tangerina, mandarin. Now I'm pulling the face, I can see it. I was like, Sugar, lemon, and aguardente, rum. So the original poncha, this is what they say, that poncha is in Câmara de Lobos, which will be a topic for next video. So stick around, because the next video we're going to be filming is another historical video. You guys watched the historical video and enjoyed the historical video that we did with Lisa, so we planned many more. Like and subscribe, stick around, there's gonna be good things, and let us know in the comments what you want to see, right? We're just going off and doing our own thing, and this is what we're filming, but we like to ask you guys, what do you want to see in the vlog? You want to see more of Elisa? No. Hey, yes, they do, babes, they do. So right next to me here is the main chef of Ilha de São Jorge. Sr. César, obrigado por estar aqui a partilhar um bocadinho a vossa informação com a malta.
O festival já é realizado já há 20 e tal anos. Pronto, é uma maneira da gente divulgar o nosso produto e para que alguém saiba que existe este produto cá na Madeira também, e principalmente no Concelho de Santana, aqui na freguesia da Ilha, há muita produção.
Você acha que está a aumentar ou diminuir?
Uns anos para cá tem estado a aumentar, agora não sei, chegou agora, até parece que estamos num pico alto, não sei se vai continuar a crescer ou alguém se vai fastidiar, porque o preço não está a ajudar assim muito.
Também quando há mais limões o preço desce, não?
Exatamente.
E porquê limões?
Este é um lugar, foi um lugar que quase sempre em relação olhando, e como o conhecimento que eu tenho, foi começado aqui a meia quantia de limões. Talvez houvesse na Madeira toda, mas a meia quantia começou a existir, quase foi no sítio da Chada de Morques, aqui na freguesia da Ilha, que é um sítio que pertence à Chada de Morques. E tem sido rentável até agora, e espero que seja.
Foram quase copiando uns aos outros?
Exatamente. A gente aqui na Madeira trabalha muito naquela coisa da cópia uns com os outros. A gente aqui temos esse... Não sei se é um sinal ou não é, não sei.
A gente vê-se no turismo, vê-se na agricultura, é verdade.
Isto aqui na Madeira quase que pouca gente trabalha para ganhar dinheiro. E planta que aquilo plantou e pronto.
Exato.
E aí a gente vai, chega a sua altura, a gente vai todos pela água à bocha e pronto. Se não for os apoios, a gente não consegue aguentar a fazer agricultura na nossa terra. Infelizmente a gente não consegue, se não for os apoios do governo, a gente não se consegue.
Preços muito baratos?
Exatamente, teve aí uns anos, os preços estavam mais ou menos equilibrados, o preço que os produtos que a gente comprava, mas agora está um precinho desequilibrado.
São de produtores?
Exatamente.
E há assim tantos, e estou a ver aqui, deve ter aqui o quê? 100 produtores? Não.
Também acho que são.
Mais do que 100 produtores?
Também acho que são. É uma caixinha a cada um, cada produtor.
Sim, com o resto obviamente ainda está
Exatamente.
Sr. César, mais alguma coisa quer dizer a malta? Talvez para vir cá, para comer mais limão?
Sim, exatamente. E quem, para as pessoas que utilizam o limão, preferir o nosso limão regional.
Certo.
É a minha maior desejo para todos os produtores.
Apoiar os produtores.
Exatamente. Para a gente trabalhar com mais força, dar mais apetite, exatamente, e que apareça mais jovens a cultivar, não só o limão, mas que isto vá para a frente.
Certo.
Sim, senhor.
Sr. César, muito obrigado.
Okay.
Uma boa festa para vocês.
Sim, senhor.
E obrigado. These people, this lady, has a bakery in Jardim da Serra, one of my favorite secrets in Madeira. E tenho uma pergunta. Fizeram alguma coisa mesmo só para este festival ou trouxeram tipo o estoque genérico?
Fizemos tudo para este evento.
Ok.
Porque como esta é a festa do limão, trouxemos tudo com limão. E na nossa pastelaria nem tudo é com limão. Muita coisa é com limão, mas nem tudo. Ora, aqui temos a bola de Berlim com creme russo, e no creme russo pusemos doce de limão, raspa de limão e sumo de limão.
Ok, o que é creme russo? Desculpa.
Creme russo é creme de ovos, que é o creme tradicional cá das bolas de Berlim, com chantilly.
Ok.
E fica
então
assim
mais
não
branquinho.
tão, exatamente, não tão infastinho, não tão cansativo.
Ok, e vou levar um desses. E tem aqui donuts.
Donuts também com limão.
Com limão.
Com chocolate branco e limão.
Deste lado temos aqui um bolo de limão, não é?
Claro. E estes bolos também são os bolos caseiros, também com limão. As cookies têm limão e chocolate, limão e caramelo e limão. As broas de limão.
Broas de limão.
E temos também licor feito por nós, de limão.
Ah, boy. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm impressed just for the dedication that these guys have of really putting something on to do with lemons. This is amazing. I love it. All right. Vamos pedir 3 licores de limão. E eu acho que o André bebe uma desta vez. Homemade, huh? Homemade liquor
For me.
from you. Just to give you guys a little bit of context, their bakery is in a place called Jardim da Serra, which is also a very rural place. I was joking around earlier because it's one of my little secrets. I don't want everybody to know about Jardim da Serra. I'm sorry. That's my, that's me being greedy. All right, but they do cherries in Jardim da Serra, so they've got in their bakery, which we'll look for and go back to at some point because I haven't been there. She says it's in the middle of town by the church somewhere. Doce Cereja, sweet cherry is the name of the bakery. So for those of you who like what you see and want to try something a little bit different, then look out for Doce Cereja or sweet cherry. Sounds great in English. Sweet cherry in Jardim da Serra. And thank you very much. Como é que chamas?
Anabela.
Anabela, muito obrigado. It's nice. It's got that sweet after,
Yeah.
like it hits the sour in the beginning and then sweet
And
after.
the sweet, yeah.
Hey, what do you think? Yeah?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
We're gonna take back a bottle or not?
I think so.
You
if
think
we
so?
can.
Oh my god. Because I want to take some cookies.
Lemon cookies?
Lemon chocolate chip cookies.
Não, eu quero as de broas de limão.
You want bros limão?
Yeah.
So we take one each?
Yeah.
Take one each?
Yeah.
Take a bottle of liqueur? Tem liqueur para bandeira?
Vamos levar tudo.
Take a bottle of liqueur?
Tudo.
Yeah.
And then we give
Sim.
it to your parents.
Sim. O licor não, as broas sim. Estou a brincar, sim. Mas...
Yes, of
Yes,
course. I'm a
of
giving
course.
person, I
I'm a
don't
good
take.
daughter,
I'm
you
not a
know?
taker. Obrigado, Anabela. This is a bola de Berlim, right? You get this all over Portugal. And here in Madeira, we like to give little touches, little differences in these. So this one is, of course, lemon flavor, but she also has cherry and passion fruit. So I'm quite excited because one of my favorite coffee shops in the island makes these bolas Berlim, and they say that they are the best. I'm hoping that for Annabella's sake, that is not the case, eh? Ooh, oh yeah. Most of the festivals are situated around the church. In fact, most of the festivals in the summertime are actually associated with the Saints' Day parades and all of the saints celebrations that we have in Portugal and Madeira. So this is the quaint little church of Ilha de São Jorge. And it's not a very old church. Somebody just told me that it was only 60 years old. To be honest, this is not an area that I come to very often, so I'm not very clued up on all of this, and that's part of the reason why I'm enjoying myself so much over here. I wish we could stay later, but just wanted to give you these kinds of signs of what a festival is like. That it's usually around the church. Mass, I believe Mass is actually ending now. Sometimes, even during the day, you'll have fireworks, which used to baffle me during the day when I was in Madeira, and I'd hear fireworks during the day in the middle of nowhere, and I'm like, what the hell is going on? Why is there fireworks? Usually there's a festival and they're calling the fireworks to call the people to come to the festival, or they're scaring away birds so they don't eat the crops. On windy.com, on the Windy app, this is the app that I use quite often for the weather in Madeira. It's a little bit bright even. Was showing rainfall, right, from like 12 o'clock onwards. Just gonna, hey, and darkness and lightning, even lightning, really. And it looked like it was gonna be rainy, and I was a little bit worried, and check, sunshine. You can't trust the weather in Madeira, and that's it. So let's go and see something that we can trust. For those of you who don't know what that was basically the Portuguese Shark Tank, right? So you have all the women competing on who makes the best cake, the best dessert. It was the best dessert and the best liqueur. They'll be there for hours for sure. They're gonna be like, no, 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 oh no, 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 oh no, oh no, oh, no, no, no. All right. Anyway, look great. We couldn't try the desserts. Pretty sure Annabelle is gonna win with her liqueur and even her cakes. It's time to end off our video because we have more work to do. Tomorrow is Sunday, and guess what? We're filming again. Tomorrow we're filming our biggest project of the year. For those of you who don't know, we are releasing a Star Wars parody very soon. So tomorrow we're going to be all dressed up as Jedis and Siths, and we're going to be out in Madeira causing a ruckus on a Sunday, filming our version of the Star Wars film that was filmed here in Madeira. So that means we have to leave this place. It also means that we can't be back tomorrow because tomorrow is when the big party starts. So I'm sorry I couldn't show you the true power of the Festa do Limão. This is my first time at the Lemon Festival. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you come out here and experience it for yourself. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel. Book your tour if you're coming to Madeira. Remember, it's really, really busy. April, I was checking the other day and we're sold out for 2 weeks for private tours. So anyone who's calling me in the next 2 weeks for private tours, nothing. None of our drivers. So if you are coming out here, book in advance. It's getting busy. We're a small company. And if you want to get your favorite boutique hotel, boutique agency, restaurant in Madeira, you better book soon. We just came to finish off at one of our friends' little Tashkas, what we call here. They've this pop-up little bar. It's over there is the name Serres de Ilha. It's an association that's here from São Jorge, and I work with them and I know them because they've got the mountain shelter up in Pico Ruivo. So we've done a couple of events with these guys. They saw me out and about and they said hello and hey, we've got a bar here and whatever. So I'm coming out, I'm saying hello. Thank you very much, Raphael, for saying hello to me and for inviting me over. And thank you very much. And that's it. Guys, you know, that's what it is. Andre?
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. It's too much yapping. I feel like I'm always yapping. Yapping. She's already like, it's enough.
Like, yeah, it's enough.
It's
Shut
enough.
up and drink.
Shut up and drink. What have I created?
I mean, I'm your wife, so.
It's the same company. Shut up and eat. Okay.
Bye-bye.